gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are about to touch down at the Begumpet Airport. If you look out of your window, you will see the Hyderabad skyline in all its glory. Welcome to Wings India 2026, where we gather at the heartbeat of Indian aviation to chart the course for a global future. Fasten your seatbelts as we accelerate into a new era of connectivity. Under the government's massive infrastructure push, India has doubled its number of operational airports to more than 160. We are on track to reach 200 plus airports by 2030, ensuring every corner of our nation is equipped with world-class gateways. Of inclusivity. India is now the third largest domestic aviation market, boosted by the UDAN scheme, which has now connected over 650 regional routes, bringing air travel to the remotest parts of India. With more than 500,000 domestic passengers every day, the common citizen is now truly global. Our wings are spanning across continents. India is rapidly expanding its international footprint, with new direct global destinations being added continuously. In 2026, our carriers are operating one of the world's youngest wide-body fleets to connect New India to the world. Seamless travel is no longer a vision, it is our flight plan. Through the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, we are integrating air hubs with rail, road and shipping for a unified logistics network. This multimodal synergy is drastically reducing logistics costs and moving India toward a high-speed, efficient future. Diversity is our strength in this cockpit. India proudly leads the world with over 15% women pilots, significantly higher than the global average. With the liberalization of flying training organizations, FTOs, we have made pilot training more accessible and affordable for the next generation of Indian aviators. are committed to a blue sky with a green footprint. India is leading the charge in sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) adoption and transitioning major airports to 100% renewable energy. Our goal is clear: achieving net zero carbon emissions across our aviation sector. Experience the future of paperless travel. Through DigiYatra, your face is now your boarding pass at over 24 airports. While EGCA has digitized most services for our crew and operators. With AirSeva, we've put the power of instant grievance redressal and real-time data right in the palm of your hand. India has transitioned from buying to building aircraft. With a number of initiatives taken to boost component manufacturing and laying the foundation for manufacturing of aircraft, we will not just fly the world's planes, but build them right here under the Make in India initiative. We are flying toward Viksit Bharat 2047. Our vision is a self-reliant aviation ecosystem where every component, from engines to avionics, is made in India. Today, we reaffirm our commitment to an Atmanirbhar aviation sector that serves as the backbone of a developed nation. As we reach our destination, we look at the emblem of our collective ambition. Wings India 2026 is the premier platform for collaboration, innovation, and investment. Thank you for joining us on this journey to